Hi guys, you're welcome to Mrs. P's channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing all you need to know about the cargo I brought to the UK. Yes, I did 53 kg food items cargo from Nigeria to UK. I'll be telling you everything about it. So if that's really what you want to hear, just sit back and enjoy this video. And if today is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Mrs. P's channel. So in this channel, I share my experience in the UK, things happening around me. I will raise my voice because somebody is walking upstairs. So I share my experience in the UK, things happening around me, family blog and life cooking in this channel. And I also have a baking channel in case you love baking. That's Progressive Recipe. So back to business, all about the cargo I brought down. So I shipped food items, then just food, more of food. So to the UK, them 53k got to me before 14 working days. So I'm giving you all the details. First thing you need to know, if you're making if you want cargo to the UK, you need to zero your mind with trust. If you have trust issue, you need to zero your mind and tell yourself you want to do this, because it's just like you want to give your food, what you're going to consume, your family is going to consume to an unknown person, because the person I did this with, I don't know her, but that's her business. So if you really have trust issue, it will not be easy for you, because I got a lot of calls. Progress, you know this woman? Have you seen her before? Do you know her? I don't know her. That is the truth. I don't do like that. If I want to do something, I pray about it and I do it without thinking twice, without having double mind or doubt. There are a lot of people that do cargo, more than 50 people, more than 50 people in UK, Nigerian doing cargo to UK. Yes, but I got this contact from just a friend. I just asked her, please look for somebody that do cargo in the UK that is in Lagos. She gave me the person, said, I know this woman, she has been doing cargo for a long time. So she don't, it's not like they are related, no. She just sent me the contact. I should reach out to her and make inquiries and know whether it's one I want to really go for. So that is it. Even I can't even remember getting back to my friend or that my sister saying I finally worked with the woman. No, everything was did outside her contact, and without her again, me talking to her about it again. That's just it. So let me just tell you everything you need to know. I'm talking about the person I worked with, because I'm going to be sharing her contact in case you want to try her. If you don't want to try her, or you want me to send other ones for you to investigate, or for you to do your findings, no wahala, you will drop that on the comment section. Tell me to share other contacts to you. I know a lot of people sharing their contact in different groups here in the UK that they do cargo, though I have not patronized them, but I have reached out to some, which I understood that some don't even take contraband things, just like dry fish. They don't do it. So, but this woman collects everything. When I mean everything, without rejecting any. Some don't carry drugs, medication, they don't carry it. But this woman takes it. Some don't take red oil. This woman is taking red oil. And some don't even accept fish, crayfish. She takes everything. So that is the simple reason I use her. I didn't use her because I know her from anywhere. No, all I have is her phone number. So I use her because I just felt like she collects everything and I need so many things from the Nigeria. So I just used her and pray about it, and that's how we tried it. That's it. So let me just dive into the momentum. She told me that if you're doing cargo from Nigeria to London, you're paying 2,500 per kg. If you get to their office in London, you will come and pick it yourself. If you're doing cargo from Nigeria to Manchester, 3,500 per kg. Yes, per kg from Nigeria to Manchester. If it gets to Manchester, you pick it from their office. They will send you a message to pick it from their office. But if you want home delivery, it's just like a special offer. Yeah, if you want your own at your doorstep, you just want a knock at the door, or somebody pressing your bell, here is your cargo. That's it. That's what you want. You don't want stress of leaving your house to go and pick from their office. 8,000 naira home delivery, whether in London, any part of UK, 8,000 naira per kg. So the truth is that we don't know much places here. So I and my husband settled for home delivery. That's it. So, and don't forget, I said I shipped 53 kgs to UK. normally their normal thing to every, I think I asked other people and they say it's the same. To every other vendor, they collect for each carton, because they normally pack in buses. For each carton, you pay extra 2 kgs. For just like as I'm paying 8,000, I'm going to be paying 8,000 double for each of the cartons. It's just their own commission. So that is it. So for home delivery, that will settle 8,000 naira per kg. So along the line, when my things got to her, she told me I have a lot of contraband. Contraband is dry fish. I had a lot of dry fish. Only my dry fish is 12 kg. Yes, 12 kgs. So she said it's much. That she didn't tell me that contraband things are 9,000 naira per kg. I told her that's for next time, because you didn't tell me it's an offense, so I can't pay for that. And it was as if we want to drag it. I told her when we were talking about this, my things were already with her. So all I did is I told her I will call you back later. I called other vendors. They told me they don't carry. People told me they don't carry fish, and I got medication from Nigeria. They said they don't carry it. So some say they don't carry red oil. My red oil is there, medication is there, plus the fish. So I went back to her. I said, Madam, this is my first time of patronizing you. So I am going to be bringing for you some other people that are interested. I have friends here that might be interested to do cargo from Nigeria. I will refer you to them. So why wanting to treat me bad at this point? You already. She now told me because she didn't tell me on time that next time that I should be aware. So everything now was settled for 8,000 naira per kg. So right now, when she calculated and packaged and everything, let me tell you how everything was packaged. My mother packaged some food items, just like dry leaves in Nigeria, my red oil in Nigeria. She put the red oil inside a normal container. So back while my sister in Calabar, I sent her money, she went to the market, bought the dry fish herself, bought crayfish, bought everything, and I made sure that the dry fish was very, very dry, because I was on phone with her when she was buying the dry fish. I was on phone with her checking what she is doing. Though I told her, make sure you hit your hand at the back of the dry fish to be sure that it is really dry. So the dry fish was really, really dry. Please don't be distracted because of the noise coming upstairs. But I need to make this video right now because I don't know when I will have chance again. So she was very, very sure that the dry fish was very, very dry. So I told her to buy Ziploc bags, as many as she can get, and clean film and solo tape. Now package everything in a big animals, go sent it down to my village, to my mom. My mom already had the red oil in a normal rubber, in a normal rubber 5, because she's just let's try. She wanted to give me rubber 10. She said, let's try with rubber 5 liters. So she put it in a rubber 5 liter, rubber 5. So we'll cover the top, sealed it with solo tape. After sealing it, that was it. And all the fish, so when the things got to my mom, all she did was to package the dry fish in a Ziploc bag, sealed with solo tape. Because the woman said if we can do any work, she will help us, as in her own work will be easier. So I made sure that everything was in a Ziploc bag. I bought a lot. If you watch that video, I bought a lot. I will be putting the video on the description box in case you want to see what I got. I got a lot. When I mean 53 kg, it's not here. It's really much. So they packaged everything in a Ziploc bag, sealed it up. When the things got to her, my father took it to a park that they were it to Lagos. The woman herself went to the park and picked it herself. Yes, she can do it for everybody. Only you're going to be paying her, I think it's 4,500 she collected for her transport, picking everything from the park down to her own location. She collected 4,500. That was the amount she collected from that. No problem. So she collected from that. So after the 4,500, and that's it. So when we now checked everything, she told me that the drugs though she told me initially that the medication that I'm going to be paying drugs waiting for surgeons or whatever. I said okay. So she said it's 18,000. I priced it and paid. I think I paid her 15,000 finally. So let me just say a total of everything that we paid is around for 77,000. That's the money we paid. 477,000. A total amount of everything, just for everything that we paid this woman for that 53 kg food items to get to my doorstep. Everything. Well, don't forget, we are acting extra due to everything I got, everything I wanted her to cargo for me was packaged in 2 cartons. So for each of the cartons, she collected extra 2 kg on top. So just like them adding 4 kg to what I have already. But my own things was 53 kgs. That's it. So everything came to my doorstep. The first 5 days, I got the first carton. After 5 days, I got the 4th carton. When she start today to count, that's it. Though she didn't give me a waybill number, but on the Thursday, on the 4th day, I got a message from Parcel Force. They sent me a waybill number that they are en route to my destination. Before you know it, I got a knock the next day and picked the first carton. I was like, where is the second? They say it's for now, this is the only one they have. So I called the woman. How far? She said, Madam, calm down. It's not up to 14 days. So this one, the week is already gone because that was on a Friday. She said by next week I will be getting the second carton. Next week, that was on a Thursday when the second carton landed. Checking a plus or minus is not up to 14 days. Let's be saying just like a 13 days something for the 2 to be here with me. And everything came neatly. Everything came sweet. What I mean, the red oil was popped and everything was so okay. So only the dry prawns were about to spoil, but did not spoil. I washed it and I'm still using it today. But the dry fish untouched, as if I just bought it from Nigerian market. So everything was pretty well. So I'm popping up her card as she sent it to me. I'll pop it up on this place, and I will also put on the description box below her details. So feel free if you want to use her, or if you want me to share other contacts. But please, I don't know these people. If you're doing it, don't come and be disturbing progress. Hey, but I'm progress. I did this. So since I did my own cargo, so many people have used this woman. Yes, so many people have used it from me. Me sending the contact of the woman to them, have used the woman. So feel free, do things and trust yourself. Because if you don't trust yourself, you can't trust the next person. So trust yourself and know that your own cargo will get to you without no problem. And I believe I have answered all the questions I have been getting. Madam, share about your cargo, share this and share this one. So, and again, one other thing the woman did for the red oil, she padded the red oil. Yeah, she did a little padding for the red oil, which I paid for 1,500. Yeah, 1,500 for the padding. So, and she will help you rewrap everything. Yes, for you. They use, I think that was like a clean film, a bigger one, like a big solo tape, rewrapping everything back. But I made their work so easy by putting in it, making it transparent so that they know what they are wrapping. So that's it. So feel free to do your own, and I believe it will come true and you will not have any problem or anything. So if you have any other question about this, put on the comment section. I'll be sharing, or you want me to share more people you would love to like discuss or know about no problem, I will still share. So that is it. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video. I love you all, and thanks a million for watching. Thanks. Bye.